Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan. Today, I'm going to bring you a brand new video all about this guy. Alright guys, what is going on? Yes, we do have a brand new video. I will be giving you guys some more long form content coming up throughout the couple of days, weeks, months, and so on and so forth. Please let me know down below though what you actually prefer. Do you actually prefer the shorts, the short form content, or do you actually prefer the longer videos, like more in-depth unboxings and reviews? Just please let me know down below. Make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so yes, I was actually able to hit on the Air Jordan 3 Retro White Cement Reimagined off of the sneakers shock drop. I couldn't actually believe that I was actually able to hit. Kind of really surprised me, to be honest, because I have not had the best luck with the sneakers app, throughout the past years. I barely ever hit on the sneakers app. Usually I got to go through all the other apps and raffles in order to actually hit anything these days. So I was very surprised, but thankfully I was able to hit. Sneakers gods bless me, and I do got my pair. So we're going to make sure I do a nice little unboxing for you guys today. Let's start it off with the box, right? So the Air Jordan 3 Retro White Cement will come with this box right here. It's going to be that classic Air Jordan 3 box. However, you're going to be able to see on the box, around the edges, it's going to have the distressed, old, reimagined OG look from like the 88s. All the way around the box, even on the bottom as well. Then you're going to have your size tag right there. Then, as you open up the box, your standard Air Jordan 3 box, like I said, you're going to have the red inside. And then, as you can tell, even in the corners on the inside, it also has that distressing, which I actually think is a nice little touch. Now, inside the box, you are going to have that standard elephant print paper. And then also, the last thing that you're going to have in the box is this Air Jordan 3 Retro little card right here. Now, this one is just paper. It's like a laminated type of, paper right here, showing you some of the tech specs of the shoes. The upper, the sock liner, heel, the sole, the cushion, all that type of stuff. And then, when you're all done with the unboxing experience, you get presented with this beautiful, beautiful shoe. Now, the Air Jordan 3 in this white cement colorway, honestly, it's such a beautiful shoe, and they did such a great job with this silhouette, trying to represent that reimagined look. Now, we obviously have had a couple different reimagines in this series so far. We had the Air Jordan 1 Patent Bread, and we also had these guys right here, the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Reimagined and or the Lost and Founds. Now, on the Lost and Founds, they went with a little bit of a different, style and or story behind the shoe, right? So you got cracked leather all around here, ankle collar, sail midsole, you got that distressed dirty bottom, and, the packaging was pretty much similar to this, an older distressed looking box. Now, getting back to the white cement 3s, what you're going to notice right away is you got that OG hang tag right here. A little different than the Fire Red 3s. The Fire Red 3s, just so you guys know, from this past year, 2022, did come with that hang tag as well. However, this one is a little bit thicker, and it also came with a chain right there. The white cement is not as thick of, plastic, hang tag here. And it also only comes with that little plastic tag here as well. No chain for these ones. Now, let's just start off with the shoe, right? So the only real reimagined touches that they did put on this shoe is honestly just the sail or the, aged looking heel tab right here. You have that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful heel tab with that Nike Air on the back. You're going to have that sail all along the midsole right here on both sides. And then you're also going to have sail hits right here where the Nike is on the outsole. Other than that, there's honestly not much more reimagined touches to the shoe. Now, the elephant print is definitely a little bit different. It went with that more thin style elephant print, not as thick and chunky as some of the previous retros we have seen lately. Now, I will, while I'm touching on the elephant print, first off, the elephant print is such a classic touch on the Air Jordan 3. One of my favorites. Honestly, this is my second favorite model. So for me, it goes the Air Jordan 1 and the Air Jordan 3. But I will, want to point out for you guys, when you are picking up your pairs for this coming Saturday, March 11th, this elephant print is actually going to vary pretty drastically per, whatever pair you're going to pick up. Now, I've seen pairs out there that have like a really thick elephant print, and then you're also going to have pairs kind of like mine, where it's more of a thin elephant print. Now, that's, I don't know if it's necessarily a factory flaw or manufacturer flaw or quality control issue. It's more so just, that's kind of the nature of elephant print, It's not, you're never going to find the same pattern of elephant print on any of your shoes. It's more just, how they cut the material and where they're going to, stitch it on and so on and so forth. So just be aware of that if you have the opportunity to actually handpick your pairs in the stores. Just, make a note of that. If you're more of a fan of the light elephant print, you have the opportunity to grab a pair of that. Try to grab that. If you like the thicker cut, try to grab that. But they will vary. So just know that if you see more of a thicker cut, darker elephant print, or like kind of like this where it's more thin, none of it means that you're getting a fake pair, especially if you're buying it from a representative, like quality retailer like Champs, Foot Locker, Nike, Finish Line, JD Sports. Any of those, it's just going to vary on basically the elephant print. So there's that. So then going to the tongue, you're going to have that Air Jordan right there in that red on the tongue. Now note that the tongue is that 2023 and 2022 style, where the leather right here is going to wrap up, and you're not going to get that red material that's going to peek over the tongue. It's going to be on the inside. Now, quality of the leather on this shoe, now I'm not an expert when it comes to leather. I just go by what I feel. It's decent. It's a decent quality leather. As you can see when I'm pressing down, it does give a little bit. Very, very, very similar to your Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds from last year. So if you have a pair of those, expect the same quality of the leather. Now, other than that, you're going to get your white laces. I'm thinking about throwing in some sail laces that's going to match that midsole. Like I said, you got that sail midsole. You also got the black going around the midsole on the top right here. Going to the outsole, you're going to have your gray, your sail, and your red hits with that Nike branding. Now, on the inside, you're going to get that white sock liner. Now, also another thing to note about these shoes, the sock liner is not as padded as your normal Air Jordan 3s. For example, the Fire Reds, you can even see here, just comparing the two, has a lot more padding in the ankle collar than these. This is going with your, traditional 88 style ankle collar, so it's not going to be as padded. So just a note, they may fit a little bit bigger than your traditional Air Jordan 3. It's just something to know. If you have the opportunity to try them on, I recommend trying them on. For me, I went true to size. My true size in an Air Jordan 3 is a size 12. I've already tried them on. They fit good. Now, I could go down half a size, but if you want that really snug fit, completely up to you. Just giving you my honest input. Now, when you go to the insole right there, you're going to get that red with the black Nike Air branding. And other than that, guys, that is pretty much it. I basically covered the entire Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. Let me know what you guys think about these. Like, this for me, honestly, since I'm such an Air Jordan 3 fan, and throughout the years, I've sold a bunch of my collection, and just recently, throughout the past couple of years, I've really been getting heavy back into sneaker collecting. And for me, honestly, this is just a classic. I'm going to need at least 2, maybe 3 pairs of these guys. I absolutely love the white cement. Probably, honestly, one of the best looking shoes and best looking Air Jordans of all time. I mean, you can't really, debate that. Some people are going to say that the black cement is better. That's just going to be personal preference. For me, white cement is such a classic. Goes with anything, matches with anything. Absolutely love them. So yeah, guys, if you are going for these next Saturday, March the 11th, make sure you're entering all of your raffles. your, you know, flex accounts. Look out for JD Sports and Finish Line exclusive access coming probably later this week, either Thursday or Friday. You know, good luck hitting on the sneakers app. It looks like it's going to be a draw. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. These things are going to sell out, so don't sleep. If you're thinking that, yeah, they made a lot of pairs of these, the demand is so high, they are going to be an instant sellout. Make sure you're entering all your raffles, and good luck. Other than that, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill. Please, please, please thumbs up the video. Also, make sure you guys are subscribing if you are new around here. Share, turn on your post notification bells. Recently, we have rapid growth on the channel. I know that we are up to around 360 subscribers. I just started last year with around 60, so I'm so appreciative of all your support. Thank you guys so much for, you know, supporting the channel, leaving your comments, thumbs up the videos, all that good stuff. It really does truly mean a lot to me. Other than that, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.